I mean, it's going to be hot and humid again this afternoon, and I really don't see a whole lot of change when it comes to that. This is our Fort Worth camera. We do have lots of sunshine, temperatures at 80 degrees. The heat index is at 84, so it's going to be humid. Once again, later today, even more humid than what it is already. We're at 81 degrees in Gainesville, 80 in McKinney, 78 in Terrell, 79 right now in Corsicana. Satellite and radar is very quiet. We're going to see maybe a few clouds from time to time, but a lot more sunshine than not. Eventually today, though, I think we see that high of 96 this afternoon in Denton, 96 in McKinney, 93 in Greenville, 92 in Terrell, and possibly as hot as 97 this afternoon in Granbury. Overnight tonight, we're going to have a few clouds around. It's still going to stay warm. It's still going to stay muggy. The wind, it's going to be out of the south between about 10 to 20 miles an hour, so a little breezy tonight. Temperatures drop down into the mid-70s in McKinney, 74 in Canton, 73 in Decatur, and 73 over in Granbury. We do have rain chances returning for early this week, so something exciting to talk about, something else going on. Now on Monday, a lot of the data keeps maybe a few showers and storms in the far north and west. But notice this is going to be 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. You can see one stray shower, maybe a couple right around the Metroplex, so most of us would likely stay dry. But we do have a stationary boundary that will eventually move in by the time we get into Tuesday morning. It's going to be a little bit closer to the Red River at 7 a.m., but later in the afternoon, it makes its way towards the Metroplex, and it fires off a few showers and thunderstorms. Now with these storms, could there be a severe threat? I think that would be extremely low. We don't have, the Storm Prediction Center hasn't put out a big threat by any means, but there could be 1 or 2 storms that could produce gusty winds to maybe 35, 40 miles an hour, but that's pretty much it. This is not going to be a big severe weather day, but we could see a few showers and storms Tuesday afternoon to early Tuesday evening. By 7 o'clock, that front pushes off to the south and most of the storms eventually just go away, and then Wednesday looks pretty quiet. So as far as rain coverage is concerned on Monday, maybe 10%, but we do go up to 30% at least for now on Tuesday. So for today, mostly sunny, no rain chances. Temperatures do make it into the mid-90s, but it's going to feel closer to about 100 at its peak this afternoon. And then overnight tonight, under mostly clear skies, we're dropping down into the middle 70s. The 14-day forecast showing that 30% on Tuesday. With the rain moving in, temperatures drop down into the low 90s. Now, if we actually do get those rain and storms on any one spot, temperatures could potentially be even lower. The 4th of July, right now, it does look dry. It just looks very warm. Looking at the rest of the 14-day forecast, notice, yes, there is triple-digit heat. As of right now, I have that holding off until about July 10th. But, you know, outside of that, it still just looks really hot with a lot of highs in the mid and upper 90s. So what's one more degree? Adriana, back to you.
What's another one? Thanks, Cassie.